Okay, guys, I have a problem with the BK8500. Basically, I bought it on eBay and I'm testing if everything is right. I looked up the simple test circuit to find out if something is wrong or not. So I have a 20 volt here, 60 ohm here, and then in series my DC load. And then I look up my scope there to find out if this guy is working well or not. Well, basically, if this DC load can be set with a constant voltage, with a constant current, or I can also put a value of a resistor or a value of a power that this thing has to dissipate. And with the voltage and the current, everything is right, but with the power and the resistor have something going on when this guy, only in resistance and power mode, let's say, try to be equal to 16 ohm. So basically, when this voltage is 10 volt, basically 20 volt, a half of 20 volt, then something is going on. Yes, I got here an oscillation here. I don't know why. So maybe this thing is broken, maybe not. It's a bad design. Who knows? I'll show you what's going on. So let's see what we got here. So basically, this is my 20 volts here. You see that this is my 16 ohm tube, series of 8 ohm resistor, and then I go back here and then I tap off my scope. Yeah, easy peasy. Really a very easy circuit. So let's see what's going on. So first of all, I set the voltage to, let's say, 15 or something like this. So let's go on 15, press enter, and now I turn it on. Boom, 15. This guy was a little bit of spike down there, but who cares? If I go down with the voltage, no problem, it's following. 9 volt, 8 volts, cool, nice and easy. Can go down to basically 0.1 volt. This is the minimum they can accept. Yeah, maybe here I got still 0.2 volt on the OSI on the scope, and here I have 0.1. So who knows? Trust the OSI, but yeah, this is, I mean, I can live with that, no big deal. Go up, let's see, 0.2, 5, 7. Now it seems that everything goes back to normal. 1, yeah, I mean 2.5. Well, it's a little bit offset, but I mean, you know, I can live with that. So everything works fine basically. Let's try again to simulate the pikes there. So let's go to, I don't know, 10 volt. Yeah, 12. Fine. Let's make them off here. Boom, off. Nice. Let's go to on. Boom. Yeah, goes a little bit down. Should not do that, but I mean, who cares? Okay, let's start with the amp. So I press amp, this guy going off, this guy go up, and I put what I put let's say 2 amp. Okay, so I set 2 amp, enter, on, boom, nice and clean. Goes down 1.2 because I'm going up. Now I want to go down with the voltage, with the amp, sorry, with the current. This thing goes up, no problem at all. 0.5 or a quarter amp here. Now let's start to do a little bit the start-stop thing, so to see when I engage. Tack, yeah, I mean, still feasible. Yeah, I know I couldn't set the single trigger and blah blah blah, but just to understand if it's working or not. Okay, we found out that, I mean, this thing is working basically. Okay, I have a little bit of spike issue when I turn it on and off, but I mean, I can live with that. But now check this out, this interesting thing. Now go back to the circuit again. Now what I wanted to simulate, I put a resistance here. I put first 20 and then I go down to 16 and see what happened. So back to the bench. So let's go in resistor mode, and I put 20. Okay, G20. There we go. Enter. Okay, then I press on. Check. Something happened. You already see something is going on there. But then, I mean, if I go upwards the resistance, the behavior is nice. I mean, the more the resistance I got, the more the voltage goes up. Yep. But now if I go down, I'm up 32, 27, 16. Okay, now it's the thing. See, this thing starts to oscillate. And if I go down further, so sorry, this thing trips down. If I go down further, let's say 14, see the oscillator increase. Check this out, and it saturate between the 10 volt and 0, 10 volt and 0. So I don't know what's going on here. I mean, surely something that I would not expect. As long let's go back in the circuit. So as long that I'm up to the 16 volt, to the 16 ohm, sorry, everything works fine. If I go down to 16 ohm, this thing starts to oscillate between the 10 volt or whatever and the 0. Boom, 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 and it also ramps up. I don't know what's going on. If I go back here, so let's see, if I go up with the resistance, let's say 26, see, this thing goes back to normal operation, let's say. So we saw a square wave actually. Let's see with the power. So I do my math here. Power when this thing is equal to this, so when I have 10 volt here is 6.25 watts. So what I do now, I press the power. I want set the power, and I put let's say 8, let's say 4 watts, and then we go up. 4 watts, done, on. Boom, 16. everything works fine. Let's go to the power, and then I slowly increase the power. Remember, the 6.25 is the magic point where this thing starts to go spinning. When this thing actually equal to the 16 ohm that is series to them. So there we go. I go close to the 10 volts here when the two are equal. I mean the 16 volt and the DC load. So let's check it out. Oops. 61.6. Go up, go up. There you go. Check this out. I mean, nothing like this. I saw nothing like this in my. This is kind of interesting wave. Yes, surely. I don't know if it's something related to how this thing is built. Now I can go also up with the watts. I can go to 7, whatever, and these things start to go quicker. So surely something that I was not expecting. My problem is I have not too much experience with the DC electronic load, sorry, and I don't know if this thing is broken or I have to repair it, or it's just a bad design thing. So if you guys can help me, it will be fantastic. Sorry for my English, my first YouTube video. It's not my mother language, so I hope you can understand me. Thank you for your help. Take care, guys.